Hello, my friend. Every day, your brain becomes dirty. Not dirty like your hands after work, but dirty with thoughts. From the moment you wake up, your brain starts receiving information, news, social media, complaints from others, fear about the future, regret about the past, comparison, pressure, doubt. You don't choose most of these things. They just enter your mind automatically. If you don't clean your brain, these thoughts stay there. They pile up. Day by day, they become heavier. And slowly, without realizing it, they control how you feel, how you act, and how you see your life. That is why washing your brain every day is just as important as washing your face. You would never go outside for weeks without washing your body. But many people go their whole lives without cleaning their minds. Let me tell you a simple story. There were two people living in the same city, working similar jobs, earning similar money. Their lives looked almost the same from the outside, but inside, they were very different. The first person woke up every morning and checked the news. He focused on bad stories. He complained about the economy. He complained about his boss. He complained about his life. He said, "Nothing ever changes. I'm unlucky. Life is unfair." The second person also woke up every morning, but he started his day differently. He read a few positive lines. He listened to calm music. He reminded himself, "Today is a new day. I will do my best." After years passed, their lives became very different. Not because one was smarter, not because one was luckier, but because one washed his brain every day, and the other did not. Your brain believes what you tell it repeatedly. This is one of the most important truths you need to understand. If you tell yourself every day, "I'm not good enough. My English is bad. I'm too old. I can't change," your brain will believe it, and then it will act to prove it is true. But if you tell yourself every day, "I'm learning. I'm improving step by step. Mistakes help me grow. I can change my life," your brain will also believe that. Your brain does not know the difference between truth and repetition. It only knows what you feed it again and again. That's why washing your brain is not about lying to yourself. It's about choosing better thoughts on purpose. Many people say, "I don't have time." They say they don't have time to read. They don't have time to learn English. They don't have time to think positively. They don't have time to change. But they have time to worry. They have time to scroll. They have time to complain. They have time to feel tired all the time. Washing your brain does not take hours. Sometimes it takes 5 minutes. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes before sleeping, 5 minutes of silence, 5 minutes of good words, small actions, done every day. Change your mind slowly, but deeply. Let's talk about how your brain gets dirty. First, it gets dirty from negative people. Some people always complain. They always see problems, never solutions. They tell you why something won't work. They tell you why you will fail. If you listen to them every day, your brain becomes like theirs. You don't need to fight them. You don't need to argue. You just need to limit how much they enter your mind. Second, your brain gets dirty from your own past. You remember mistakes. You remember failures. You remember embarrassing moments. But your past is not your home. It is a lesson, not a prison. Washing your brain means reminding yourself, "I am not my past. I am what I do today." Third, your brain gets dirty from fear of the future. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What if people laugh at me? Fear is imagination without control. Washing your brain means bringing your mind back to now. Right now, you are safe. Right now, you can take one small step. Now, let's talk about how to wash your brain every day. First, start your day clean. The first 10 minutes after you wake up are very important. Your brain is soft. It is open. It is easy to influence. If the first thing you do is check your phone, your brain drinks chaos. If the first thing you do is complain, your brain drinks poison. Instead, try this. Take a deep breath. Say one simple sentence. Today, I choose to think clearly. This one sentence can change the direction of your day. Second, choose your input carefully. Your brain is like a stomach. If you eat junk food every day, your body becomes weak. If you feed your brain with junk information, your mind becomes tired. You don't need to stop everything. Just reduce the bad and increase the good. Listen to calm voices. Read simple, positive texts. Watch videos that teach, not just entertain. If you are learning English, this is even better. You are washing your brain and learning a new skill at the same time. Third, clean your self-talk. Self-talk is the voice inside your head. It talks to you all day. For many people, this voice is cruel. It says, "You're stupid. You're slow. You'll never succeed." Washing your brain means changing this voice. Not to fake happiness, but to fair kindness. Instead of, "I'm bad at English," say, "I'm learning English." Instead of, "I always fail," say, "I'm still practicing." Words shape your thoughts. Thoughts shape your actions. Actions shape your life. Fourth, empty your brain before sleep. Many people go to bed with a noisy mind. They think about problems. They replay the day. They worry about tomorrow. This is like sleeping in a dirty room. Before sleeping, try this. Close your eyes. Take 3 slow breaths. Let the day go. Say, "Today is finished. I did my best." This is washing your brain at night. So tomorrow you can start fresh. Let's talk about why this matters so much. Because a dirty brain makes you tired, even when your body is not tired. It makes simple things feel heavy. It makes small problems feel big. It makes you lose hope slowly. A clean brain does the opposite. It makes you calmer. It makes you stronger. It helps you see choices instead of walls. Life does not become easier, but you become clearer. Many successful people do this, even if they don't call it washing the brain. Athletes visualize before they compete. Writers clear their minds before they write. Monks meditate every morning. Students review positive notes before exams. Different methods, same purpose. Clean the mind. Focus the energy. Move forward. You might ask, what if I miss a day? That's okay. Washing your brain is not about being perfect. It's about coming back. Some days will be heavy. Some days you will forget. Some days you will feel negative. Just return the next day. Your brain learns through repetition, not pressure. Let me share one last thought. Your life is not shaped by one big decision. It is shaped by small daily thoughts. What you think when you wake up. What you tell yourself when you fail. What you focus on when things are hard. If you change these small things, your whole life slowly changes. That is why washing your brain every day is one of the most powerful habits you can build. So, tomorrow morning, when you wake up, remember this. Wash your face. Drink some water. And before the world enters your mind, wash your brain. Thank you for listening, my friend. If you enjoyed this message, please like, subscribe, and stay with us for more English motivation every day.